Daily life expression number 1, let's pencil in.
We really need to catch up soon.
I know, right? It's been forever. When are you free?
Lately, my schedule has been a bit messy. But how about we pencil in a date? Maybe next weekend?
That works. Let's pencil it in for Saturday afternoon.
Perfect. I'll block it off on my calendar so nothing else comes up.
Same here. Looking forward to it. Daily life expression number 2, I'm furious right now.
I'm furious right now. What happened with the report?
I'm looking into it, boss. There was a delay.
Unacceptable. This is the third time.
I understand. We'll fix it immediately.
Better be fixed. No more excuses.
It won't happen again. I promise. Daily life expression number 3, I beg to differ.
You know, I really think pizza is the best dinner option tonight.
I beg to differ. I was thinking we could have something lighter, maybe a salad.
Salad? But we had one just yesterday.
I know, but we've been eating heavy meals all week. Don't you think a salad would be nice for a change?
You've got a point. But pizza sounds so tempting.
Maybe we can compromise? Half pizza, half salad?
Now that's an idea I can agree with.
Daily life expression number 4, I'm so pumped for this.
How are you today?
I'm doing great. I'm so pumped to start learning computers.
That's awesome. What part of computers are you most excited about?
I want to learn how to code.
That's a great goal. We'll start with the basics.
I can't wait. When do we start?
We can get started right now. Let's dive in.
Daily life expression number 5. That's the last straw. What's going on? You seem a bit down.
My car broke down on the way home. That was the last straw.
Oh no, that's the worst.
Yeah, I just felt like I couldn't take any more.
I get it. When things pile up, even small stuff can feel huge.
Exactly. I just want this week to be over.
Hang in there. Maybe the weekend will be better.
I hope so. I really need a break.
Daily life expression number 6. I'm not entirely sure. I'm not entirely sure what I should wear to the party.
What are you thinking?
I think I'll go with the blue dress.
That sounds great. It looks nice on you.
Thanks. Should I wear those silver earrings with it?
Definitely. They'll match perfectly.
Perfect. I'll go get ready then.
Can't wait to see you.
Daily life expression number 7. I need to think it over. How can I help you today?
I'm thinking about booking a room, but I need a bit more time to decide.
No problem at all. Take your time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Thanks. I just need to think it over for a bit.
Absolutely. We'll be here whenever you're ready.
Great, I'll get back to you soon.
Sounds good. Have a wonderful day. Daily life expression number 8. I'm really let down by this.
Mom, I'm really let down by this.
Oh no, what happened, sweetie?
I didn't get picked for the school play. I really wanted to be in it.
I'm sorry, that must feel disappointing.
Yeah, I worked so hard on my audition.
I know you did, and I'm proud of you for trying your best.
But it still hurts.
It's okay to feel upset, but remember there will be more chances.
I hope so.
Absolutely. You'll get there, don't give up.
Daily life expression number 9. This is getting on my nerves.
This is getting on my nerves.
What's bothering you?
The Wi-Fi keeps dropping. I can't get anything done.
Oh no, that sounds frustrating.
Yeah, I just need it to work for once.
Maybe we should reset the router again?
I've done that like 5 times already.
Maybe we can call the provider and see if there's an issue?
I guess I'll try that. I just hope it works.
Fingers crossed.
Daily life expression number 10. I'm furious.
What's going on? You look upset.
I'm furious right now.
Why? What happened?
You forgot to pick up the groceries again.
Oh no, I'm really sorry. It completely slipped my mind.
This isn't the first time, you know.
I know I messed up. I'll go right now and get everything.
It's not just about the groceries, it feels like you're not listening to me.
No, I hear you, I promise.
I hope so. It's frustrating.
Daily life expression number 11. You can always bounce back.
How are you doing today?
Honestly, not great. Failed my science subject.
I'm really sorry to hear that. It's tough, I know.
Yeah, I studied hard, but it wasn't enough.
I believe in you. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but you can improve.
I hope so, it just feels like I let myself down.
Don't be too hard on yourself. You can always bounce back.
Thanks, I'll try to think that way.
That's the spirit. We'll work on it together, okay?
Yeah, thanks for being supportive.
Daily life expression number 12. This is driving me nuts.
This is driving me nuts.
What is it now?
The Wi-Fi, it's so slow.
Again? I thought we fixed that.
Apparently not.
Let's call someone to check it.
Ugh, I'm tired of this.
It'll be okay, we'll get it sorted.
I hope so.
Daily life expression number 13. I couldn't be happier.
How's the new kitchen coming along?
I couldn't be happier with the way our new kitchen looks. It's perfect.
Yeah, it really turned out great. The cabinets look amazing.
And the countertops. I'm so glad we picked this color.
Good call on that. It feels so fresh now.
I can't wait to start cooking in here.
Me too. It's like a whole new space for us.
Daily life expression number 14. This is giving me the creeps.
Why do you look so nervous, sweetheart?
I don't want to go to the garden, Mom. It gives me the creeps.
The garden? Why does it scare you?
While I was watering the garden, I saw a small snake. They give me the creeps.
I understand. But don't worry, there aren't any snakes today. I'll walk with you.
Still, every time I walk there, I get the creeps.
It's okay, we'll take it slow. I'll be right here.
Daily life expression number 15. Brainstorm together.
How's everything going?
Ugh, I'm so occupied with classes. I barely have time to finish my project.
That sounds exhausting. What's your project about?
It's for my design class, but I haven't had the time to really dive into it.
Maybe we can brainstorm together? 2 heads are better than 1. That's a great idea. I could definitely use some fresh ideas.
Perfect. Let's sit down later and throw some ideas around.
Thank you, Emily. That would help so much.
Anytime. We'll figure it out together.
Daily life expression number 16. This just made my day.
Guess what? I found my old diary.
No way. That's awesome.
It's full of memories. This just made my day.
I bet. Let's read some of it.
Totally. You'll laugh at my old notes.
Daily life expression number 17. This is freaking me out.
How can I help you today?
I need to change this mobile. It's not working, and it's freaking me out.
Oh no. What's happening with it?
It keeps freezing and shutting down randomly. I can't use it properly.
I see, that sounds frustrating. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thanks. Let me check our options for an exchange or repair. We'll sort this out for you.
I hope so, because I can't take this anymore.
Don't worry, we'll get it fixed or replaced quickly.
Daily life expression number 18. I'm losing my patience.
That neighbor is really irritating at night.
Why? What happened?
Their dog keeps barking all the time. I can't sleep.
Oh no, that's frustrating.
It happens every night. I'm losing my patience.
We should talk to them about it.
Yeah, I can't take another sleepless night.
I'll see if we can find a good time to bring it up politely.
Daily life expression number 19. I'm really annoyed.
Sam, can you please sit still for a moment?
But I'm bored, Mom.
I understand, but you keep breaking things. I'm really annoyed right now.
I didn't mean to.
I know, but this is the third thing you've broken today. We need to find a way to keep you busy without making a mess.
I'll try, Mom.
Let's find something fun to do.
Daily life expression number 20. I'm really scared. Hey, Sam. How's school going?
Not so good. I'm really scared to speak English with other students.
Oh, don't worry, Sam. It's completely okay to feel like that at first.
Really?
Absolutely. When you keep speaking consistently, it will come naturally. Trust me, the more you practice, the more fluent you'll get.
You think so?
Definitely. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
Thank you, Mom. I will try more.
I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English more, please subscribe to 2-Minute English channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.